Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another client tutorial, and today we are doing a soft glam with a tad bit of glitter and some white eyeliner. So to start, I'm filling in her eyebrows. I'm using my Ruby Kisses brow pencil in the shade light brown. I honestly was not the happiest with how her brows turned out. They didn't look bad, but I just thought I could have did a much better job. But I'm carving them out with the Too Face Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and the brush I'm using is a F70 from Sigma. I'm not really sure why, but this video turned out a little laggy. Like it's a little behind. I don't know why it's like that, but I did speed up some of the clips so it doesn't look as bad on y'all's end. But anyways, I'm using the exact same concealer as her base on her lids, and then we're going in with the Warrior palette actually from Juvias Place, and I'm packing that light brown into her crease. And for that I used a E17 from Morphe. So using some more of that concealer, I am taking a Real Techniques brush and I'm tapping it along the first half of her crease. The new shade I'm packing on her lid is also from the Warrior palette from Juvias Place, and I'm applying it with the E40 from Sigma. And I'm just using the M506 to tap a little bit of this glitter pigment from JLarue Cosmetics on her lids. I'm not really sure the exact name of it, but I will have everything linked below. I know I've been saying it and then I be forgetting to type out all the products, but y'all, I promise I'm gonna have everything below for y'all. So the white liner is from Suva in the shade Space Panda. It's just an all white eyeliner. And I finally well, I don't want to say I figured it out, but another makeup artist posted a reel on how she does her water activated liners. I tried it and it worked, y'all. It works. I'm so happy. I do not have to worry about my water activated liners cracking ever again. Yeah, let me know what y'all consider a soft glam, because like I was saying earlier, my looks are separated based off of the eye look that you want. Like, to me, a soft glam is soft like nudes and neutral colors, and then my full glams have like color, cut, crease, etc. So y'all let me know what the difference is, because I pretty much do everybody's faces the same except for my natural glams. My natural glams are, you know, more natural, but other than that, everybody else's face looks the same. So let me know what y'all consider as a soft glam. I had already prepped her skin. As y'all can see, I also popped up some lashes, but prepped her skin, and now I'm using the Milani foundation in the shade Nutmeg.
On my mind, I need to unwind.
We are cream contouring today. I'm using my black Opal foundation stick in the shade Carob. And then to highlight her face, I'm using the same Too Face Born This Way concealer. I believe I used a mixture of mocha and butterscotch. And then of course we're just going to blend everything together, and then we're going to set everything in place with our Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana. I think it's called Warm Banana now, or I don't know, but you see banana, see the word banana, it's the right one. These pink sponges y'all see me use all the time, they are also from Amazon, and I love them so much because they have a little pointed tip on them, and it really helps me get in the corner of my client's eyes when I'm sitting and blending out concealer. I will also have those linked below, but I love them so much, and it's like a pack of, I could be totally wrong, I'm not even gonna say no numbers, I'm just link it below so y'all can see. So we're bronzing with my favorite bronzers ever by Makeup Revolution. This one is in the shade medium, but yeah, you can get these out of Ulta. They're only $12 and they last forever. But recently they've been on sale for 50% off, so $6. So definitely check these out. And y'all know I always go back and reverse contour. It's one of my favorite parts, along with contouring the nose. I'm contouring her nose with the exact same bronzer. And y'all, I contour everybody's nose with a M506, the same blending brush I use for everything. Like, I use it to contour noses because it's just the perfect size for me. And then after I contour the nose, I like to go back and clean it up with powder. I just love the way it looks. I think I have an obsession with setting powder. And then I go back over the powder. I just kind of tap it into the skin using the same brush I use for foundation. For foundation, y'all, I always use the Instapop cheek brush from Real Techniques. And then we're just applying some blush. This blush is from Sistar Cosmetics, and it's just a reddish brownish type of blush. And then we're going to add some mascara to the bottom. The highlighter we're using today is from Glo Glittas. It's just a pearly white highlighter. I used it because I thought it matched her eyeliner perfectly, so. I'm not sure what happened to the clip of me doing her lips. We just did a brown lip liner per usual and a nude gloss and a sensor, and then I set her with the Morphe setting spray. And that's it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are, of course, subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.